If your adult child needs a safe space to avoid offensive words, you failed as a fucking parent. If anything in my seminar offends you, blame your parents for raising a pussy.
Okay, tune up in a bottle time. Got a full tank of gas. Gonna burn this entire tank today. Unleash the supercharger on the Rotex. Let's go. Hell, we're gonna put some fuel injector cleaner in there because I noticed last time we came back it was chugging a little bit at idle. So I'm gonna put 25 gallons worth, which is a fairly concentrated dose. Because technically it's a 15-gallon tank. This does 25 gallons, so that's what we want. We're gonna burn that entire tank with the Lucas injector cleaner in there and run it. So that's what's gonna happen. That's what we're gonna do. All right, let's unload the supercharger and have some fun. You don't have to tell me twice. I'm in it to win it, baby. Boy, I dropped that fuel injector cleaner in here, and it immediately cleared up that little chuggy bogging I was having. It chugged for, I don't know, 2 minutes or so at idle, and then it just cleared up. So, Lucas fuel injector cleaner is the shiznit. All right, Dan. Let's try not to piss some people off today. Let's go. I'm only a quarter throttle in, see? That's it, a quarter throttle and I'm going almost 50. If that tells you how much more throttle I have to go, this thing rips. It absolutely rips. Alright, I'm gonna open it up coming through this channel. Remember, I'm only at a quarter throttle. Jet skis. I'm a madman, what can I say? God, this jet ski moves. See, now that was a fun day on the water. Just got done cleaning it. I'm gonna let the insides dry out and then we'll push it back into the garage. Me and the girlfriend will plan the next outing. Figure out where we're gonna go on it. Because that just sounds like fun. Yeah. Yeah.